flight deck. Welcome aboard on behalf of myself, Captain Kurt Weidman, Co-Captain Jim Jovine, your Navy and Air Force trained flight deck team taking you over to Chicago this morning. Everything's coming together really nice for an on-time departure away from the gate. Once we push back, it should be about 10 minutes to get to the takeoff runway. Once airborne, 1 hour and 39 minutes. That's a little bit faster than normal, so barring any delays in the ground here, I expect to be on the gate just a little bit ahead of schedule into Chicago. Kind of an average ride between here and Chicago, maybe a few bumps here and there. In Chicago, cloudy, 30 degrees. Once we get airborne, we'll update your arrival time, the weather, and everything else important for your journey. Right now, sit back, relax. Most of all, thank you very much for choosing United this morning. We're very grateful for that.
Austin, and I'll be your purser on today's flight. Thank you, Mileage Plus members, for your loyalty, and to all customers for choosing to fly with us today. Our entire United team is here to make sure you have a great flight. While service is our passion and safety is our top priority, so please take a minute and pay attention to the following safety demo. Even if you're a frequent flyer, as each aircraft type is different. Please review the safety card located at your seat and follow along. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt low and tight across your lap. To fasten, slide the metal end into the buckle, tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap, lift the buckle to release. In United Polaris Business Class, if you're seated in it, if your seat has a shoulder strap, fasten your seatbelt and attach the shoulder strap by placing the metal fitting over the lock and pulling on the strap until it clicks. The shoulder strap must be attached for taxi, takeoff, and landing. To release, push down on the metal fitting and lift. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened even when the seatbelt sign is off. Please take a moment to look around in order to familiarize yourself with the aircraft. This Boeing 787 is equipped with 8 exit doors, 4 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are open in an emergency, slide rafts will automatically inflate. It's unlikely, but in a water landing, slide rafts detach from the aircraft and are used as life rafts. All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seats, remember that they may be behind you. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will guide you to an exit, and a change in color or exit sign will help you locate the exit. For everyone's safety, leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft. It's also unlikely, but if necessary, oxygen masks will drop from above your seat and from the restroom ceiling. If a strap appears and you cannot reach the mask, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tube and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and split the elastic band over your head. The band does not require adjustment. To start the flow of oxygen, breathe normally. Put your mask on before helping others. In the unlikely event oxygen is needed on today's flight, remove any face coverings before putting on your oxygen mask. Should you need it, you'll find a life vest with a water-activated light in a pouch under or between your seats. When directed, pull the tab to retrieve the pouch. If there's a strap, remove it from around the pouch. Tear the pouch open, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head, wrap the belt around your waist, and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. For those customers in seats with a shoulder strap, secure your shoulder strap over your life vest. Just before leaving the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down sharply on the red tab or by blowing into the tube. This aircraft also has infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary. Smoking, vaping, or using e-cigarettes or smokeless tobacco is not allowed in this aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and remember instructions. We'll be taking off soon. Just bring your seat back up, close your tray table, fasten your seatbelt, and return your headrest and footrest back to their original position. Food and beverages must be collected or put away for departure. We'll be coming by to collect any remaining items. Flight attendants, please complete final safety checks and be seated. Thanks again for flying with us, and I'll be back with more details about this morning's flight once we're in the air. minutes, please be seated for departure. galley area is clear and use of the restrooms located in your cabin where possible.